Testing regulator on a lawnmower. Filled circle needed equipment. For testing a voltage regulator, you need a portable multimeter, voltmeter. Furthermore, you also need a pair of nose pliers and a wrench set if any bolts are needed to be removed. If your voltage regulator is faulty, you might need a new regulator of the same model for replacement. There can be two main approaches for testing a voltage regulator on a lawnmower. Both the approaches are authentic. We shall discuss these separately. Filled circle method 1. Testing via battery. The detailed procedure is as follows. Step 1. Take the safety measures. You should proceed by parking your lawnmower on a flat surface and setting up the parking brakes. You should make sure that you are wearing safety gloves since you'll deal with the battery with a voltage across its terminals. Make sure that the ignition key is removed from the switch. Step 2. Connect the terminals to the multimeter. A portable multimeter can be used for this operation. To begin with, connect the positive terminal of the battery with the positive lead of the multimeter. Similarly, connect the battery's negative to the voltmeter's negative lead. Step 3. Insert the key and add some load on the battery. For riding mowers, insert the ignition key in the switch and turn it to the first stage so that the mower headlights can be turned on. Now, your voltmeter settings should be on DC volts since the battery provides a direct current. Note the reading displayed by the voltmeter. The value is typically around 12 volts. Note: if the battery gives this reading, it is charged and in perfect working condition. This reading is also an indicator that you don't need to change your battery if you face a problem with your mower's electrical system. Step 4. Start your engine and push the throttle. Now, turn the ignition key and start your mower's engine. Increase the engine load by moving the throttle arm to the fast position. This step increases the alternator's RPM, thus providing more voltage to charge the battery. Step 5. Note the voltmeter's reading change. With your engine cranked up, again connect the voltmeter to the battery terminals and measure the DC voltage output. The value this time shall be higher than it was in the case when the engine was off. Test result. If the voltage shows an increase from the initial value after the engine RPMs goes up, it shows that the regulator and the alternator are operating correctly. Hence, there's no need for a replacement. However, if no change in voltage value is observed, it shows that the battery uses its voltage, and the fault lies either in the alternator or in the voltage regulator. Therefore, we shall proceed to the next step, i.e., testing the voltage regulator itself.